Hello guys, this is Noel Landeros Rifo once again, and this is my daily commitment to speak up against the corruption that is happening in our country right now. Now, this is my interpretation or my personal perception doon sa nangyari kahapon sa Pasay. So what happened is meron kasing convention na nangyari sa MOA, itong Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Meron silang International Expo. At ang guest speaker nila, si Vice President Sara Duterte. Para saan, this is a very symbolic meeting. Pinagsalita nila doon si VP Sara and on an international audience. And then after yung expo, nanawagan sila kay Marcos. Ano yung panawagan nila kay Marcos? Sabi nila hindi daw sila satisfied sa ongoing investigation ng ICI sa corruption. So, ang gusto nila, managot kung sino ang dapat managot, irregardless of the position, irregardless yung relationship nila kay Marcos. So, ibig sabihin, alam ng PCCI kung sino, Malinaw naman kasi sa sikat ng araw kung sino May personal relationship kay BBM, mataas ang posisyon. Ang sabi ng PCCI, they don't want to come to the point na manawagan sila ng resignation ni BBM. Kaya sila nananawagan ngayon na madaliin ang investigasyon, managot ang dapat managot, irregardless of the position and the relationship of the president to the culprit, And kailangan nila ng solusyon paano maiwasan tong korupsyon. And they are asking for a regular update. Nababagalan ang mga business group sa investigation na nangyari regarding the corruption. This is a very important message to the President. Kasi yung PCCI is the sole representation of the private business sector ng Pilipinas. And they are connected to the international industry. Kapag ang PCCI nawala ng suporta sa administrasyon, lulubog ang administrasyon na yan. Because ang PCCI is the important driver ng economy ng Pilipinas. Kapag nagtanggal yan ng suporta sa administration, babagsak ang ekonomiya natin, walang foreign investor, maaapektuhan lahat ng mamamayan. If they will ask for a resignation of the president, wala na. The president should resign. So kahapon ang nangyari is they were asking for a resolution from the president para hindi na maulit to. And then VP Sara, there she is. Siya yung guest speaker. Ibig sabihin, yung tiwala ng mga businessman is na kay VP Sara at wala sa presidente. And then VP Sara presented them a solution para matigil na ang corruption sa Pilipinas. What she said, i-digitize natin, i-online natin, ilagay natin sa publiko para wala ng backdoor transaction at nakikita kung may mga overprice. Open for scrutiny. Diba? So, ganun nga. Transparency. VP Sara is giving a solution to the problem that we are facing right now na hindi kayang gawin or hindi naisip ng administration. This is the reason why I wanted VP Sara to be president because she knows how to resolve the problem that we are facing right now. Diba? Nakikita yan ng business sector. Nakakahiya na yung business sector, both local and international, aware sa malawakang korupsyon na nangyari sa Pilipinas. And if this will not stop, the foreign investor will stop. And nakakatakot na malugmok tayo sa kahirapan at yung mga Philippine businessman is labas ng bansa at may iwanan tayo dito na namumulubi. So I guess in the government to listen. Because if they will not listen and the business sector will withdraw their support to the current government, it is the end of all the politicians that is helping this government. So kung ako sa inyo, tumigil na kayo at huwag nyo nang kampihan kasi it would be the end of your political career. I am asking the Senate, lagi kong sinasabi, na ibalik nyo na si Marcoleta, pangalanan nyo na ang dapat pangalanan, ikulong nyo na ang dapat ikulong. Kasi kung hindi nyo gagawin yan, it would be a Senate versus the Congress and the administration. Si BBM, the President, and the other staff that are involved in this corruption. So kasi yung nangyayaring corruption ngayon, it seems that everyone is involved, no? Binigyan sila ng share para hindi sila magsalita. But that is okay, magsalita kayo, no? Hanapin natin kung sino yung may pinakamalaking share at yun ang idiin natin. And this is the reason why I see VP Sara is being impeached. Kasi ayaw niyang sumali doon sa sistema. 'Di ba? Ayaw niyang pirmahan yung budget ng DepEd kasi alam niya yung mga insertions doon. So since na lahat is involved in Congress and in Senate, nagkaroon ng idea na tanggalin na lang natin kung ayaw niyang makisama. But that is not supposed to be. You're not supposed to take a share because that is for the people. Bakit mo ngayon kukurakutin? So, kaya nga kailangan maging presidente si VP Sara because she's the only one who doesn't want to be part of this corrupt system. So, sana magising ang administration because the call of the PCCI is very important. And if they don't listen, this businessman, on my own personal opinion, will fund a movement, no, na pwedeng magpatalsik sa Pangulo. So sana, habang maaga pa, gawin na niya ang dapat gawin para hindi na tayo mauwi sa gulo.